We're about to watch a major winter storm unfold across the northern parts of the United States. And here you can see on the GFS model precipitation types how it moves through the northern Rockies and Northwest and then extends across the northern plains, Great Lakes, and even into portions of the Northeast here as we move into the middle and late part of the work week. And you can see that it's not only snow, which does stretch from, like I said, the northern plains across the Great Lakes and into parts of the Northeast, but just to the south, we're talking about sleet and significant amounts of sleet and significant amounts of freezing rain. We're talking about anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch of sleet in some locations, and maybe a tenth to a ½ inch of freezing rain and ice. So the possibility is out there for a large portion of the northern United States to be impacted by this system as we move from basically midday on Tuesday through Friday morning before it finally exits the Northeast. So a major storm system here over the next couple of days, and we're talking about major amounts of snow here. Anywhere from 6 to 12 inches will stretch from the northern plains across the Great Lakes and into the Northeast. Here you can see on the GFS ensembles, we are going to see some locations that see upwards of 18 inches of snow, and I think the best chance for that would be portions of South Dakota, southern Minnesota, maybe into Wisconsin, and some of the higher elevations of the Northeast. And again, this is the GFS ensemble. We take a look at the European ensemble, and very similar amounts expected with that particular set of ensembles. And for the Canadian, again, a similar set of circumstances there across the northern United States. And just to the south, that's where we're going to see significant amounts of sleet and freezing rain from this storm system. And the National Weather Service has already begun issuing some of the winter storm warnings, the blizzard warnings for portions of southwestern Wyoming. So this is going to be a major storm system that unfolds here over the next several days. Blizzard conditions for some locations, major amounts of snow, major amounts of sleet, and major amounts of ice for some locations.